How to unsend a message on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your TikTok application from your device and get logged into your TikTok account. Now, as you do so, you will see an inbox sign on your right hand side. Tap onto it and you will see all of the chats. Go on to any chats that you would like to delete. Now, in order to delete a chat, long tap onto it, then tap on delete. If you would like to delete this chat for everybody, then tap on delete for everyone. If you would like to delete this chat for only your site, then tap on delete for me. Also be noted that this delete for everyone option only works for a couple minutes. In case you would like to delete a message that is 1 or 2 days old, if you long tap onto it and tap on delete, you will only be able to see the option of delete for me. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.